So hi everyone, my name is Zheng Ning from the University of Notre Dame. I'm majoring in human-computer interaction. So in this talk, I want to stand from an HCI researcher's perspective to introduce one of our recent works, Mimosa, a creation tool built for amateur video content creators to generate spatial audio from monorail audio in a video. So in the HCI community, we are paying certain attention to end users' actual needs. And we found that though spatial audio can help audience perceive the position of sound sources, improve users' immersion in the video content, it's still less adopted in real video content creation. And the reasons include the cost of recording devices. Existing videos are recorded mostly in monorail, which they cannot recreate on, and also the difficulty of adjusting and editing the spatial effects in a post-hoc way. But happily, recent years have seen significant development in deep learning models to approach this task. Those works have shown impressive results in generating immersive stereo audio out of the video with monorail input. However, there are some limitations of these state-of-the-art models that could not satisfy the actual needs of content creators. The first thing is, despite recent progress, these SOTA models can only achieve limited accuracy. In addition, the accuracy of the spatial audio is usually measured only in a quantitative way. Besides, the performance of the model is always influenced by a lot of factors, such as the training data, video category, etc. However, due to the black box nature of the models, users cannot easily validate and correct the output. Third, for real content creators, their goal is not to merely recreate the ground truth, but to create an immersive audio experience that is go beyond the ground truth with their own creative artistic expression. Therefore, the use of these state-of-the-art models may not be the best option in many scenarios. Instead, a suitable tool will need to support the user's continuous exploration of the creative space for immersive audio experience. Meanwhile, providing adequate flexibility and expressiveness for content creators to implement their ideal audio experiences. And this is how Mimosa does. So in regards of the implementation details, at the first step, we implement a machine learning pipeline that separates the video into visual frames and also the independent audio tracks. Then the model will identify the potential sounding objects in each video frame and aligns the object with the separated audio track using the audio tagging model. It will then predict the 3D position and use the coordinate to spatialize the corresponding sounding object. And during this process, instead of using an end-to-end model, users can modify each individual soundtrack here, and also modify the audio tagging result, and of course, most importantly, the spatial position. And we build a system with interactive UI to allow users to change those intermediate results. They may directly drag these dots, which represent each individual soundtrack, to align them with the actual sounding objects in the video. At the same time, a 3D direct manipulation interface visualizes their positions in a simulated 3D space. Users can drag these dots, and spatial sound will be re-rendered in real time. Also, users can also select an output format ranging from monologue, stereo, quad, and also 5.1. And here are some examples. Oh, by the way, so these are actually spatial audio, so I'm not sure if we are actually using a multi-speaker on site. So if we're not, probably you cannot hear the sound clearly. Okay, let me reshare it.
Jenny, I think maybe you should reshare the screen so that you can have the audio also
Oh, yeah.
share.
How about right now? Seems that it's still mono audio, right?
Yeah, the audio is working. Yeah, but I'm not sure it's spatial audio. Maybe it's Zoom. Yeah.
Yeah, problem. Well, I will just skip this and continue on the rest of my part. Cool. So we did a within subject controlled user study with 15 participants, and we found that we used two evaluation metrics. In terms of immersion, we found that videos with edited spatial audio usually achieves better immersion than all the other three kind of videos. And meanwhile, it also protects the realism compared with the raw video. So, in summary, we present the following three main contributions. First, we present a new human AI collaborative pipeline that allows content creators with no specialized expertise in spatial audio to computationally generate spatial audio effects for existing videos. Second, we present Mimosa, a practical system that lowers the barrier and increases the expressiveness of computationally generating spatial effects. And thirdly, we use a user study to demonstrate the effectiveness of our approach and the usability of the Mimosa system. That's all for my presentation, and I'm happy to take any questions.
Yeah, thanks, Zheng. Yeah, we'll leave the questions to the Q&A session. Yeah, thanks for the presentation.
Sounds good.